Hey, what's up, guys? This is ClickBank for Beginners 2020 and why you're going to fail. I'm Ben with Make Simple Income, and you're hanging out with me today. And you know what? I don't mean to sound all doom and gloom, but the chips, my friend, are stacked against you. And I'm going to explain to you why. So, I get it. You want to do ClickBank. Maybe you are doing ClickBank. Maybe you've made a few sales. Maybe you haven't. Maybe you've been trying. You spent like $300 already. You spent ads. You got this, you got that, and you're trying to make sales, and it's just not working out for you. And you know what? I get it. ClickBank is not easy to make sales. I don't care what they all tell you. It's not that easy. So, let's go into it right now. So, check this out. As of October 2019, there was how many people? 100,000 affiliates on ClickBank. Think about that. 100,000 affiliates on ClickBank. What are your chances of going on ClickBank with all that competition and coming out being successful? Well, put it this way. If you don't have a lot of experience in affiliate marketing, whether you're, maybe a couple months in, 6 months in, you're going to be very disappointed, man. You're going to be frustrated. You're going to get pissed. And you're probably going to quit affiliate marketing altogether. And that's what I don't want to see. I don't want to see anybody have to go through that. I've been through that. Do I promote ClickBank products? Not really anymore. I used to. And all you're doing is chasing money. You're not building a business. It's money in, money out. Definitely don't recommend. I mean, then what do? You go over to YouTube, search up ClickBank. Look at all these guys. ClickBank for Beginners. ClickBank for Beginners. 6 months ago, 14,000 views. 4 months ago, 210,000 views. I mean, all these guys are pretty much still telling you the same basic information. There is no secret. No secret to ClickBank. There's no secret sauce, no secret formula. Traffic equals sales. How do you get traffic? Well, you can do SEO. Unless you're familiar with SEO, unless you're familiar with building websites and doing SEO, SEO can be very powerful, but it's going to take you a long time. You're talking 4, 6, maybe even 12 months out. By the time you get a blog together, all the SEO, and you start ranking, then what happens? All right, so you start getting like 100 to 500 visitors a day. You start making sales. Then that affiliate, that vendor decides to go out or change. Now your whole business is down the drain. You spent all that time building up a site, finally getting traffic, finally made a couple sales, and the vendor says, you know what, we're shutting down. Sales haven't been that great, blah, blah, blah. You have no control. Then what do you have? Your business, you just lost your whole business. Like that. There's plenty of alternatives, guys. And trust me when I tell you this, because they're all going to tell you the same thing. Like, check it out. Let's go to ClickBank. Here's my ClickBank account. What's the biggest niches? Health, wealth, dating, self-help, all that stuff. So let's go in here. Research. Gravity is 732. Good luck. You know how they're promoting that? I know how they're promoting that. They're promoting that on Facebook. Putting ads together, making a quiz page. You guys either know that. Maybe you do. Maybe you got your own quiz page. Maybe you work with ClickFunnels or Builderall. I don't know. But guarantee it. If you listen to somebody and they say, yeah, just go to Facebook, start an ad account, throw up some ads, boom, you're going to start making sales. No, you're not. I tell you right now, especially if you don't have a seasoned ad account, you go over to Facebook, you start an ad account, and you put up an ad for something like research, you better hope you have a squeeze page. And if you don't have a squeeze page, they're going to shut you down immediately. Even with a squeeze page, I guarantee they're going to shut your ad account down. Guaranteed. You might even make a couple sales, you might not, but they're going to shut it down. And now you're going to have to be not calling up because you can't get a hold of anybody, but you're going to be sending support tickets in to get your account back reactivated. Trust me, I've been there. It happens. You're going to end up spending probably $500 to $1,000 before you even come close to being profitable, especially with Facebook ads. I don't recommend Facebook ads until you know what you're doing and you got some good teaching behind you, because Facebook ads can be very lucrative, but not done correctly, you will get your account banned after ban after ban after ban, and once again, you're frustrated. Same thing, you go to Bing. Okay, here you go to Bing, do direct linking. You can direct link offers on Bing. You're going to be probably spending $200 to $300 by the time you become profitable. You could become profitable right off the bat, but I doubt it. And on top of that, you're still going to need tracking software. If you're not using tracking software, you're not going to know how you're getting your sales, and you're never going to be profitable at that point. So you ask me, what do you do? Well, I have an alternative. Alternative to ClickBank, and I recommend this to anybody who asks me about ClickBank. This is my number one recommendation. Affiliate tools that people need. Because no matter what, especially like I target people that are targeting ClickBank all the time in my marketing funnel. Because check it out. To market ClickBank products, what do you need? Especially if you're running ads, whether you're running Google ads, Facebook ads, even Bing ads. And if you want to try to build a business, you're definitely going to want to collect emails, because if you're not collecting emails, you have nothing. One of these ad accounts shut you down, you don't have an email list, you just lost your business. So to do it the right way, you want to opt in with an email list, squeeze page or bridge page, and then to the offer, or maybe even to a website with the offer, just trying to be extra safe. And so regardless, if these marketers, what do they need? They need tools. They need an autoresponder. They need a funnel producer. They need like ClickMagick. They need to be able to track clicks and track where their sales are coming from. So no matter what, they need these tools. And this is not a flooded market. And most of this is all reoccurring. So check it out, like Aweber affiliate program. You get reoccurring every month with Aweber. Get response. Do get response. You can sign up, promote get response to people. Your first sale, you can either do $100 off a sale or 33% reoccurring. As long as they stay, they're gonna stay, because you know what? They need get response. These people that buy these products use these products for years. I've had Aweber now for over 5 years. I've had ClickFunnels now for over 2 years. You need these products. ClickMagick. I've had ClickMagick for almost a year now, my tracker software. I stay with these products because I need them. I cannot run my business without these products. So why wouldn't you promote products like this? Now you have a real business. Now you have reoccurring income. You're not chasing money month after month after month after month. Problem with ClickBank and all these, like even CPA marketing, yes, you can make some money, but you're constantly chasing these things. They go in and out. Campaign dies, whatever happens, the vendor goes out, ad accounts get shut down, you're not building a list, you're you're going after some, like, say, health, you're going after health and can't even talk. You're going after the health niche, and you don't know nothing about the health niche, but you're going to promote it. You're not building an email list. You don't know the customers. You're throwing darts, man. You're just throwing darts. There's alternatives, man. Trust me. I would not promote ClickBank if I had a choice. I'd rather promote digital softwares because people need them. Like I said, I target my target customer range are people that are using ClickBank and people that are using Max Bounty, using CPA Grip and stuff like that, because those are my customers. They need these tools. They need them. And when they buy these tools, they usually stay on for years, and it's reoccurring. So month after month, I got money coming, and I'm building a list. So if they need other stuff, other products they want, I can send them other products. It works out great. So I have an alternative for you. I have a recommendation for you. It's totally up to you. I myself, I promote Builderall. That's my big one. That's my back end office. But here's Builderall in a nutshell. For $69.90, you get all the tools. You get a website, hosting, email, funnels, one-stop shop. I use Builderall as well because it's for the price. I get everything. Like say ClickFunnels is $97, Builderall $69. I get all the tools. Best bet is I affiliate Builderall. Great patch. I affiliate Builderall. Great tools, everything you need under one roof. And here's the best part. My team and I, we're the top sellers on Builderall. If you want to come in under us, we'll give you everything you need, man. We'll give you the squeeze pages. We got done for you squeeze pages. You want to learn ClickBank? We'll teach you how to do ClickBank. We have quiz pages. We have sales funnels. We have emails. We have everything. We have all the training that we will give you just if you want to sign up to be an affiliate for us in a niche, that hungry niche. There's barely anybody anybody freaking promoting this. Not like ClickBank. There's not 100,000 people promoting Builderall. Not even close. It's easy to get into. It's easy to make sales, and your customers stay with you for a long time. So if you want to start a real business online, you're looking to make some real money online, I can't promise you anything, but leave a comment down. If you got any questions, I ask you, I'll put a link down. Please like, subscribe. I'm here to help you out, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks, guys.